10, that was some weak sauce coffee back there. But oh, it's breathtaking with those cliffs just dropping right down into the ocean and the sounds of these waves breaking here on the shore. Here it is, the octopus. It's marinated well, some potatoes on the side. Oh. Look at this van life setup. That's beautiful. Have a good morning. Those guys are living the high life out here. Look at this. It's a beautiful day out here. I got a big plan today, and I'm gonna take you to some big places. But first, it's coffee time. And well, truth be told, it's my third of the day, but my first right next to the beach here. So I had to stop and take one in. Today, we're gonna go north up the west coast, and I'm gonna take you to Los Gigantes, that beach and some other beaches around there. And at the end of the video, stick around because I'm gonna explain to you the best hidden beaches up there and how to get up to these beautiful black sandy beaches and how to get around. Overall rating on that place, Metropolis, I would give it a 6 out of 10. The value, 5 out of 10. It was €2.50 for what they call a flat white. The quality, 1 out of 10. That was some weak sauce coffee back there. Now the only saving grace was the location. That location is a 10 out of 10, and that's what gave it the overall rating, a 6 out of 10. If it wasn't for that location, that place would be horrible. Now luckily I'd already had 2 good cups of coffee at home using the AeroPress, but that Metropolis with its location along the beach in Playa de las Americas, it's a good place to start your day. Are you ready for this? Here it is, Los Gigantes, and it's impressive. Look at that rock formation going out to the water. We're gonna get down there and check it out. Look at this stunning location. This is Los Gigantes. This is the town of Los Gigantes, and this beach is called Playa Los Guíos, if I'm pronouncing it right. All you Spanish speakers, correct me down in the comments below. But oh, it's breathtaking with those cliffs just dropping right down into the ocean and the sounds of these waves breaking here on the shore. And you can sit on this black sandy beach and relax all day long and watch those boats go in and out of the harbor right there. It's a perfect spot to chill out. We're up here in the northwest of Tenerife. It reminds me of Playa Arena, which I visited the other day. You can check out that video in the description down below. But this is particular because the cliffs are just straight vertical drops and one of the most unique formations in Europe and definitely in all of Spain. So you want to put this Playa Los Guíos on your to-do list. Now the beach is in the shade right now, but in the afternoon this place gets soaked in sun, so don't worry. And when the clouds clear and you're here in the afternoon, you're gonna enjoy this place. So I was just onto the lifeguard here and he's giving me all the information. First, the water is always warm here, so you're gonna enjoy swimming. The other thing is if you have time, you should do the Camino Inferno up there, and it's a beautiful long walk and it takes you out all the way out there to the ends of those cliffs. Parking, I parked right here at the port for a couple of hours. It cost me €3.10. Also here at the port, you can find a lot of boats that are gonna take you out on excursions, including one I would like to try out to Masca Beach. Now the only way to get to Masca Beach is either park up and hike 3 hours down and 3 hours back, or you take a boat tour, and boat tours are about 2 hours for €20, and you can get out there in the open water, get a chance to see some dolphins and some whales, and just enjoy the spectacular coastline. Leaving town, you'll notice there are plenty of good options to eat in Los Gigantes. So if you want to stop and eat here, otherwise head on to the next beach. Beach number 2 for the day, Playa de Santiago. I'm gonna take you down there. It's not as glamorous as Los Gigantes, about a 10-minute drive away, but this beach has its charm. It has black volcanic sand on the beach and these beautiful rocks. Now because Playa de Santiago is not as well known, that means there are fewer people at this beach, so you may want to choose this place in the busy months to beat the crowds. Around here as well, there are many different restaurants, and I'm gonna go find one right now. Okay, this place looks all right, Da Yago. It doesn't have the highest ratings on Google, but it's just meters away from the beach, and it's a fabulous view. I ordered the pulpo, octopus. I love octopus. Yeah, here it is, the octopus. It's good. A slight amount of salt on it, delicious. It's marinated well, some potatoes on the side. Oh. And the $1 million view right there, Playa de Santiago. That place, overall rating, I'd give it an 8 out of 10. A good solid 8 out of, maybe 7 out of 10. Location, 10 out of 10, a perfect location. The atmosphere is definitely top notch, and that pulpo or octopus was prepared deliciously well. Finally, the value, €19 for a bottle of water and the octopus, and €1 charge on the bread. Take note because they don't use credit cards, and that could be changing soon, talking to the owner. Definitely a place, if you're here at Playa de Santiago, try it out. Now remember, at the end of this video, I'll give you driving indications and all you need to know to get to these beaches, and I have one more for you. Let's go. Playa Arena. I was saving the best for last because this beach seems to have it all. Soft black sand and plenty of space for you to find your spot to soak in the sun. Also a lot of restaurants on offer, and those beautiful cliffs similar to Los Gigantes but not quite as big, but you get that same cool vibe and atmosphere. This place could be a place to come and spend a few days, book a hotel here, and hit up the other beaches nearby on this west coast. It's a lot to digest, which is why I stopped here at Blend Coffee to have another flat white. Now let's look at the map and let's talk logistics for visiting these 3 beaches. You want to get on the TF1 if you're down staying in Los Cristianos or Las Americas, that region down there. You want to get on the TF1 and head north. It's basically going to take you around 30 minutes to get up to Los Gigantes. And since Los Gigantes is a port, you'll see exit signs for it off the highway. It's a free highway. You can go to 120 kilometers an hour on that. No toll fees at all. Basically, you want to get off the highway at Tijoco de Abajo. From there, you follow signs for Los Gigantes and you'll see it. You drive and you get there. It's easy. Now, most places in Tenerife, I find you can park for free. There, I went ahead and just paid and parked at the port because it was the easiest thing to do. I'm sure you can park further up and not have to pay, but it's easy. It didn't cost that much. From Los Gigantes, it's an easy 10-minute drive to De Santiago. You can go there, have some lunch, take a dip in that little beach, and then pass your afternoon in that final destination, which I thought was the best. Playa de Arena, put that on your list of things to do when you're here on the island of Tenerife. It's a cool place, but basically those 3 beaches will fill up your day. You could even make a whole day by spending the day at the Arena beach if you wanted to. It's that soft black sand that everybody loves when they come here and visit Tenerife.